Hello and welcome back. This is Robin and you're watching English Fluency with Robin. This is English Grammar Basics Revision Part 3. We have completed 2 revisions before this. This is the Part 3. Remember that this is a revision class of whatever we have completed until now. So if you want to watch detailed training sessions of English Grammar from Part 1, check today's video description. You can find English Grammar playlist link there. Click on that. You can click on that link to watch from Part 1. This is a revision class and an overview of what we have completed until now. Okay, so we will be continuing with V1 and V2 forms. We discussed in the revision classes from part 1 and 2 sentence structure, nouns and verbs, and also V1 and V2 forms. V1 and V2 forms means verbs, action verbs. For example, look at the screen. You can look at the screen here. Inform. What is the meaning of inform? Okay, inform means letting know about something to someone, passing an information. Letting know something to someone, inform. I inform everything to her. I inform everything to her. What does it mean? Because I have a habit of informing everything to my friend. So I inform. I let her know whatever happens. Okay, inform. That is the present form. I informed her about the meeting. I informed her about the meeting. This is a completed action. That is the difference between V1 and V2 forms. Informed is something that you did. I already did it. I informed her about the meeting. Here I is a subject part, informed is the verb part. Next one, take. Present form is take, the past form is took. T-O-O-K, took, that is the past form. Okay, here is the sentence. One of my friends kept some books on my table, but there is no space on my table to work with. So I told him, please take the books from the table. Please take your books from the table. Please take your books. So what is the meaning of take? That means there is something on your table. We want somebody to take it. Remove it from there or take it from there. Take. So taking something. Okay. Take your books from the table. The past form is he took my books without my permission. So one of my friends, he took my books. That is a completed action. Take, the past form is took. So he took my books without my permission. He didn't ask me for taking it. So the take, past tense is took. Next one, keep and kept. Keep and kept. I keep my books in my bag. So where do you keep your books? I keep my books in my bag. I is the subject part, keep is the verb part, books is the object part. Here I have a habit of keeping the books in my bag every single day. So that is my habit, keep. I kept the books in my bag. Where did you keep your books? The question is, where did you keep your books? I kept the books in my bag. What does it mean? This is a completed action. This is something that you did before, but you did in the past. Whatever you did before the present time, you can use past forms. So I kept the books in the bag. Okay, keep and kept. Next one, tell and told. Tell and told. Tell and told. Okay, tell him about that. Tell him about that. I am giving an instruction to someone to tell him. Tell means again, it's just like inform, making people know about something, making people aware of something by passing information. Tell. I told her about that. Who told her about that? I told her about that. This is completed action. I told, I did it already. So this is a revision class. I hope it was useful for you. And if you found today's training session useful, please give me a like for this video. It is quite inspiring for me to create more such quality training sessions for you. If you think this is worth sharing with your friends, please share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell too, because you don't want to miss any upcoming training sessions. This is a short revision class. If you want to watch detailed training sessions, please watch from part 1. Check today's video description and click on the English Grammar playlist link. So that's all for today. I'll be back with the next training session soon. Bye.